Hi user, Newlacecu hair system. I want to show my hair. This almost 5 months already, but still beautiful, right? It is after I clean with a shampoo and conditioner. I try so many hair system before I use Newlacecu hair system, but it's nothing natural like this hair. So I love so much Newlacecu hair system. I think Newlacecu hair system is the best hair system in the world because the hair look healthy, natural one, and you can use with the many activity. You look more confident with this hair system. This is 100% human hair.